Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover unsent messages on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover unsent messages on your Messenger, you generally cannot recover messages that have already been unsent, as they are permanently removed from both the sender's and recipient's chat. However, for no Android users, if the notification history features are enabled in the settings before the message was unsent, you can simply scroll down and find that particular message on your notification, and you can read it through the help of your notification bar. You may be able to view that particular message and read it from your notification, but if you tap on it, that message will already be gone. So for all the users, you can also check if the other person screenshotted or saved the message, or use the download your information tool on Facebook to request a copy of your message data as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.